Hi, this is Joan Navar. Just a quick Ilonggo session this rainy afternoon. Naglibog ang ulo ko. Sometimes you would hear that expression, naglibog ang ulo ko. Perhaps to the Tagalog-speaking people, this may sound funny because libog has a different meaning to them. However, in Ilonggo, it's not libog but libog. Libog means spinning around in wonder in your head. Naglibog ang ulo ko. Ulo means head. Naglibog ang ulo ko in wonder. So, if you're wondering about something, like really puzzled, and you don't know the answer, or you can't wrap your head around it, you might say, naglibog ang ulo ko. Ko meaning mine. So my head is spinning in wonder. In short, in English, I just wonder. I wonder, or I'm puzzled, or I'm perplexed. So that's your expression for today. Naglibog ang ulo ko. Naglibog ang ulo ko. I wonder. This is Joan of Art, and see you next time in our next video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye for now.